Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and I am back with the shower cap on my head because I came up with like this bright idea. Ding 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 ding. If you guys saw any of my previous videos about my pink hair journey, what I did, what I was using on it, then you would know about my Kera Color Clenditioner in rose gold and light pink. That was what I have been using. I'm still currently using this. I did wait maybe like a week or two and I didn't use it because I just had an epiphany. Like, if this is essentially color and conditioner, then why can't I make this on my own? These bottles retail for close to 20 bucks, okay? Yeah, about 20 bucks. So I was trying to find basically a cheaper way to keep doing this to my hair without spending this much money, because this bottle is virtually empty and my other bottle is maybe about, you know, I have about a third of it left, so it's not gonna last me long anyways. I mixed up this little concoction of this Adore color. It's a semi-permanent color in pink blush. I could not find a light pink in the store, okay? But essentially this Adore color was $4.49. I only used like 2 or 3 drops of this, like. And this is what I came up with. This is like a hot, like, neon pink, which is scary to me. But my light pink color does look like this when you pump it out of the bottle, so you know, my assumption is that it's going to be okay. My hair is cleansed, it has been shampooed, and this is basically going to be the conditioning process. So we're gonna try this together. I don't know if I should, like, maybe I should do this on a test section. My hair is damp, by the way. Wow. Oh my god. That is pink, hunty. Okay, when you work it in, it tones down a little bit, just a little bit. I'm doing it this way to really make sure that I work it in to my strands, because I've done this quite a few times and it has been like spotty, and I don't want it to be spotty. That's that one patch covered in conditioner, color and conditioner. All right, so let's just keep going. Let's do a couple of more patches. The top of my head is now done, and I literally used this whole thing, so I actually had to go in and mix yet another batch. So I would recommend maybe using a conditioner that you don't really care about, because you're probably going to use the whole bottle. Right now I only have about a third of this conditioner left, which is sad. So yeah, I'll probably be using the rest of it tonight. What I'm noticing is that it goes on really bright though, but what it does is it kind of breaks up a little bit, and that blonde color is still peeking through, similarly to the way that the Kera color does also, and it stains. So just be careful, because with this one, if you get it on your clothes or something else, it's gonna be hard to get it out. So the whole purpose of the conditioner is not only to restore the moisture, but it's also to basically dilute the color so that the color won't be as bright as what it was supposed to be. I have the last third of my head to do, and I am out again. Bowl has been swept, so I'm gonna mix one more bowl of this and go ahead and finish the back, because this hair is shorter. It shouldn't take as long to cover this. I'll be back. Whole head is done. Hands have been stained. I'm gonna see if I can get this out, but I am actually going to put my shower cap back on and let this sit for maybe about a good 15-20 minutes. Try to get the color to just really settle in. I'll wash it out and then I'll be back to go ahead and style my hair and see what this looks like. I'm so nervous. Not really. As far as the method goes, it works. Mixing the conditioner with the color to basically replicate the Kera Color Clenditioner. Technically it works. The color is just off. It's not quite the right color, but I'm gonna rock it. What I'm basically going to do is just leave my hair alone for a couple of weeks and kind of let this rinse out before I add any more color. The beauty of my hair being blonde underneath this is that I can literally change it to whatever color I want to. So I'm just going to let it fade out, and maybe even as it fades out, maybe it'll get a little bit lighter and it'll be more of the pinkish that I was looking for. But this is like a neon, like hot pink. It's cool or whatever, but it's just not what I was going for. No. But thank you for watching, guys. Thanks for coming on this trial and error process with me. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I don't know why you watching my videos and you're not subscribed. I kind of feel disrespected a little bit because I don't understand why you won't just click that button and then there's a little bell right next to it and you can get a notification every time that I upload a video. I don't think that's too much to ask. Can you just do that for me? No? I would really appreciate it. But I love you guys and I will see you in my next one. Bye. What is going on with you curls? Work. It's because my hair is too long to be in this style.